How to use BlueStacks on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kid here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can use BlueStacks on your PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, we have to install or download the BlueStacks in your device. So open up a browser, head to the search bar, then type in BlueStacks. Navigate to the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to the official website from where you can download BlueStacks. There is download button right here, click on it. Now the download will begin. As you can see, the file is already downloaded. All you have to do is click and open up the file. Next, you have to set up the BlueStacks in your PC. So if you minimize it, click on yes. Now wait for a while. Here, click on install now. Click on I agree. Now wait for a while until the downloading process is completed. Once completed, you will see this kind of interface in your device. Again, wait for a while, then you have to click on play now. Now you'll see this kind of interface in your device. If you would like to install any of the application, click on the search bar at the top, and here you could search for any of the games or application. But before that, you may be asked to log in into your Google account whenever you try to install an application. So log in with your account and then you could install a game or application from BlueStacks in your device. That's it. That's how you can download and install and use BlueStacks in your PC. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.